Hello guys, this is Subhasree and welcome to my channel. This is another episode of Lights for Home Decor. Today I will share my reviews about various kinds of string lights which we use in festivals. Lights are very important for home decorations, as we all know, so I have started uploading videos on various kinds of lights available at market today. In my last video, I have shared my reviews about the top 8 home lighting items of Amazon in my collection. If in case you have missed that video, you can watch it from the link given up here in the cards or in the description box below. So today's video is the second part of my light collection series. But before I jump into today's video, I want to heartily welcome all of you to my channel. If you shop online from Amazon and you love home decorations, then you are at right place, because I upload videos on home decorations, unboxing, shopping haul, product reviews and easy DIY in my channel every Sunday. So please do consider subscribing my channel and hit the notification bell icon to get updates of all my weekly videos. So let's quickly get started with today's video. String lights creates magical and dreamy ambience. And that is why people nowadays are installing these string lights permanently in their balconies, bedroom or living room. But initially these were just used as decorative lights for festivals and parties only. Manufacturers or sellers are therefore taking full advantage of this new trend of decorating indoors with string lights, and they are coming up with so many interesting and diversified lights of these kinds. And I love these string lights, so I keep buying different kinds of string lights from Amazon. And let's start today's video with my recently purchased string carton lights. This beautiful string carton is 7 feet in height and 10 feet wide, and that's quite enough to cover my wide open living room windows, as you can see. We can insert batteries or we can use a USB cable to operate it. It has 8 different modes of warm light and it comes with a remote control also. This carton light has 10 strings and each string has a small hook on its top, which makes it so easy to hang like a carton. Each of these strings have 30 LED lights, therefore in total this has 300 LED lights. I have installed the light permanently behind the share carton and see how beautiful it looks. This is a waterproof copper wire carton light, which is perfect for balcony or any outdoor areas also. This carton light cost around 900 rupees in Amazon. Apart from that, I already had this star carton lights, which you must have seen in all my living room makeover videos. This is also a very good and common festive light. This is a must-have item. These star carton lights ranges from 500 to 700 rupees in Amazon. So that's how I don't have to install lights before Christmas or Diwali. My apartment is always ready for festivals and parties. Amazon has a great collection of this kind of string lights in different shapes and sizes. Now let's talk about string fairy lights. These are available in wide varieties of different sizes, different colors and different shapes. Let me unbox one of such amazing string light with you. I purchased it last week and just yesterday it has been delivered. Just look how unique this product is. These lights are shaped like cute honeybees. It has 16 LED lights shaped in honeybee and it's 4 meters long. This is an ideal decor piece for your garden or backyard. This string has a protective PVC jacket, making it water resistant, and these strings are almost invisible, which makes an optical illusion as if there are hundreds of fireflies all around or gathered in one spot. And because of this effect, I guess people call them fairy lights. I'll very soon install them in my garden and I'll show you the final look of it in some other video. I also have string lights in shape of clips. These are the clip string fairy lights which can hold photos as shown in these pictures. The LED light illuminates the photo reasonably well, thus making it perfect to display photos or any artwork. But I have used them in this wall where I have my mural painting and these photo frames, and I think it looks amazing. So this string light with 20 pieces of clips cost around 200 or 250 in Amazon. Now let me show you the regular string light. Just beside the carton string lights, I already have this 5-meter long fairy string lights. This also works with USB. I don't prefer to buy battery operated fairy lights because the power of the battery exhausts rapidly, whereas the electrical or USB operated string lights are very good for long-term use. I light up this fairy light occasionally, and they are working fine since I bought them from Amazon almost 3 years back. As it is 5-meter long, so it's pretty much cover all areas behind our gym, and it is extended to the other side of the wall where I have the money plant. This type of 5-meter long big size string lights cost around about 250 or 300 rupees in Amazon. Copper wire of the fairy lights are waterproof and heat resistant also, so they are perfect for indoor or outdoor use. All these string lights are available with different types of power supply. They come in with USB plug or direct electrical plug-in or are battery operated. And nowadays these are available in solar power operations also. Let's unbox one of such solar powered string fairy lights. It comes with this solar plate. It takes 6 to 8 hours to charge and works for 8 to 12 hours as per the product's description. I think this pointed side of this stick needs to be inserted in the soil of our garden and the other side to be connected with the small solar plate, and that makes the 12-meter long warm white solar light ready. It has 120 LED lights with 8 lighting modes, and the copper wire is waterproof. The price is around 550 rupees in Amazon. I'll share my experience after using it in my balcony in some other video. The last item of today's video are string bottle or jar lights. We need this kind of tablet batteries to operate them. Generally, these lights comes with the battery already inserted or included in the packet. These lights are known as wine bottle lights, and they come with this cork where we have inserted those batteries, and then we put it inside any bottle or jar and switch it on. And it looks amazing. This cost around 100 or 120 rupees in Amazon. If you love to do bottle arts, bottle painting, then this kind of lights are a must-have item. They are available in white, warm or multiple colors. So as I have shown you in this video, the string lights comes in a wide array of styles to create the right ambience for our houses. As the name suggests, these are series of small lights that are seated along a string, and they adds a soft glow. Hence, they are perfect mood setters. That's why beside being festival lights, they are considered ideal decor lights for our living room, bedroom or our garden. If you find any of these string lights interesting, then you can check the link of that product in the description box below. And that brings to the end of this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this with your friends.